What's up, everybody? So we're doing a little job here in Brookline, and this area is just, if you can see the slope, how it goes, and a lot of people are sliding and falling. So we came in here and we cut this area out, and we took out shitloads of stumps from these trees. They were protruding and undulating all the pavement. So then what I did was rip them all out, and we tried to raise the existing curb, but the curb was poured with a footing, so there's no way. So we went and got some new curb, and we're installing it right now. Gonna be raising up these manholes. This one here as well. And then we put a dry well in here. So all this water from here is gonna go ba-bang right to there. And then we're resurfacing and striping the lot. So I will be sending another video when it's done. You know, just a little parking lot in Brookline, Chestnut Hill. And yeah.